I finally found a way to use Seedance 2 for free. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Now, simply head over to this magical website. You'll get 50 free credits when you sign up, plus 30 free credits every day that you can use for video generation. You can also invite your friends. For every friend who signs up using your invite, you'll receive 100 free credits. But keep in mind that you can only invite one friend per day. If you want to keep using this tool for free, make sure to watch until the end of the video. Now, to generate a video, simply click on AI video. You can create both image to video and text to video here, but I'll be using text to video. Next, I'll select the Seedance 2 Fast model because it's cheaper and generates videos much faster. Then I'll choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. You can create videos up to 10 seconds long, which is more than enough for a free plan, in my opinion. I'll also set the resolution to 480p. Now I'll enter my prompt in the prompt box and click generate. Within just a few seconds, the video is ready. The result looks really good, and the best part is that there's no watermark. To save it, simply click here to download the video. If you want even more free credits, just log out of your current account and sign up again with a new email address. That way, you'll receive another batch of free credits and can continue generating more videos.